everyone, thanks for coming back for another swatch video. Today I am going to swatch the Violet Voss Sunkissed Summer Palette for you. Okay, before we start, I have an issue. I don't know if Violet Voss is cruelty-free. I have tried to determine, sorry about my nails, I have animals and anxiety, so feel bad for me. I've tried to find out where this brand comes from, like if they sell in China, which is usually what the problem is with cruelty-free. It doesn't have the little indicator that it is cruelty-free, and apparently it hasn't been certified. That doesn't mean it's not cruelty-free, but if they get Leaping Bunny certified, PETA certified, it lets us know that it's been verified that they're cruelty-free. These were given to me mostly for free. I thought they were going to be for free, and then they were $5 a palette. Not complaining, worth it, but I paid another person, not the brand, but I don't know. I have a little bit of a ethical concern with this. So if you know the answer to the question, please let me know. But I decided to go ahead and swatch it anyway. I opened this and immediately fell in love with it. I don't know why I've been so attracted to like yellows and golds lately, but I am. So let's just swatch it. I'm really looking forward to this. First one's called Sandbar. Not bad for a pale yellow matte. These usually don't come off real well. Something about formulating that color, I guess. But this is buildable. It's got a little bit of like brownie in it, like orange maybe. So it's not like a regular pastel yellow necessarily, but it works for me. This is called Sunkissed. Oh, gorgeous. I have a million palettes that have this color in it probably, but it's a very pretty kind of light gold, not really champagne, not really rose gold, but light gold. This is called Sensation. It's the next yellow matte in here, and I really like this. This is reminding me of the Profusion Citrine palette for some reason. I think I used that yesterday. Gold Coast is next. This is more of a rose gold, and it's got a little more brown in it. It's a little darker than this one, as you can probably tell. This is called Heat Wave, and it's much more of a coppery tone. Why am I so attracted to these yellows? Like, purple is my favorite color, but I love these. Ooh, this looks like it's going to be stunning. It's called Glow On. A little more champagne. On the finger, it's like really metallic. I think you can build it up, but it's a little sheer. That's fine. It's a very pretty color. Very pretty, like champagne metallic. Then we've got a matte pink called Cool Down. It's like a salmony pink. It's a little warm. This one's called Sunny's Out. It looks more pink. Yep, and it is. It's a nice metallic pink. What reflect? I kind of see some silver reflect in there, but it's kind of a warm pink at the same time. This is a brilliant gradient right here. I love this. This is very well curated in my opinion. It's only 10 shades, but still. The next one, Berry Hot, is more like a pressed glitter. Oh, wow. Okay. I didn't expect it to come out so pigmented. I thought it was going to be more like a topper. That's stunning. It's like a reddish purple with gorgeous like silvery glitter in it. Ooh, very pretty. All right, the quality here is amazing. And then Tan Lines is the last one. You have to kind of have a darker color, and it's appropriate to have more of a brown here than a black. This is a very well put together color story. I don't know if I've ever said that before. It's just stands out to me as that. Okay, I officially love this. God, I hope they're cruelty free. I'm pretty sure they are, they just haven't been certified. You know, I'm swatching it because I can inform about it, and we'll figure it out, I guess. There's the palette and the swatches together. I can't wait to use this. It's a sunsetty kind of palette. It's called Summer, but it's a sunsetty kind of palette without the oranges in it. So this is going to be beautiful in the inner corner no matter what you use here. Oh my goodness, I love this. Let me know what you think. I'm absolutely happy with this and stunned. Think I'm going to use it tomorrow. Have you used this brand before? I can't remember if I have. I think I've gotten some palettes and then decluttered them. But I can't stop looking at this. Thank you for watching this swatch video. Let me know what you think, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye. Don't know if Violet Voss is cruelty free. I also have the ice cream truck coming down the street right now. Give me a sec. Are you seriously gonna go back down the street? I opened this. Whoops. Let me make sure I'm filming it.